Hello, and welcome to what is going to be my review of the VIZIO V-Series 2.1 home theater soundbar. Here I have the 30-inch version. I've already cracked open the box just to make the video go a little bit smoother. But opening up right here on this side, you get your documentation, your remote, and your cables. Looks like it comes with an optical cable, which is actually really nice for hooking up to your modern TVs. So we'll put that over there. Looks like a pretty good quality remote. Comes with batteries, just like most things do nowadays. It's actually it's a good feeling remote. Nice, sweet. Power cable for your soundbar, power cable for your subwoofer. Get those out of here now. Looks like we got a quick start guide in here as well. These things are usually pretty easy to set up. It's just going to be as simple as literally plugging it in and turning it on. This looks really clean, actually. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Cracking off this protective film. And there you go. This is a 30-inch version. I think they offer this in a 24 and a 36. Don't quote me on that. This is actually really clean. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom. Help stop it from vibrating on whatever you're setting it on. On the back, so it doesn't come with wall mounting hardware. I noticed that when I opened the box. But you can get probably just your standard drywall anchor and a screw. And it's got these cutouts right here in the back where you can just put your own hardware on there. And then mount it on the wall. And all your hookups in the back. It's got USB on this side. On this side you got aux and optical, and your plug. But they're sunken into the soundbar, which makes it so you can flush mount this really clean against whatever wall you're putting this on, if you want to, or even if you put it on a TV stand, it keeps it nice and flush with the back of your TV stand, which is pretty sick. And this is the subwoofer. It's nice. They put some cardboard to help protect your dome there. I have something similar in my bedroom. I got a VIZIO. They're 5.1 that's got some satellite speakers. And the sub is a little bit larger than this, but this thing looks like it's going to have more than enough power to freaking to thump something, you know? It's got a nice little sound in. So it's got some weight to it, actually. Usually the weight's a good indicator of how big your magnet is, how powerful it's going to be. So this thing's pretty heavy for how small it is. On the back of this, you just got your power button with what looks like probably an LED indicator around the back of it. And you've got AC in here. So yeah, that's going to conclude the unboxing portion. We'll probably move over to the review soon.
Pairing.
Some audio
Connected.
Some audio prompts while you're hooking it up, which is actually really nice. It sounds really good. Or I'll play something kind of bassy here. It's actually making so much bass, the little sub is rocking. As you can hear, for this thing's size, the little speaker actually kicks a lot. It's actually going to end up in my kitchen, so it'll probably sound even better when it's in a little bit of a smaller space that's not my living room. So yeah, that's gonna conclude my review of this little thing. Peace.